Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering and prepping the headset. Make sure the unit has charge or is plugged in. Low battery can interrupt pairing. Once powered, press and hold the power button until the LED begins to flash. This engages pairing mode, which is what allows devices to discover the headset. Now, keep the headset close to the device you'll pair with. Physical proximity reduces interference and speeds discovery. When the LED blinks fast, move on to your phone or computer to search for a new Bluetooth device. You'll now perform the device-side connection. Open Bluetooth settings. On phones, tap Settings, then Bluetooth. On PCs, use the System Tray or Settings app. Once scanning, watch the list for your headset name. Select it. If prompted, accept pairing or enter the PIN. Common defaults are 0000 or 1234, but most modern headsets use confirmation prompts instead. Once you select the device, the system negotiates a secure link. This is why you may be asked to confirm. When pairing, you finish by verifying functionality and addressing problems. Play audio and make a test call to confirm both output and microphone work. Adjust volume and input in your device's sound settings if needed. If connection fails, power cycle the headset and your device, then use Forget or remove the headset entry from Bluetooth settings and retry pairing. This clears stale profiles. Once done, you can also check for firmware updates or Bluetooth driver updates, because outdated software often causes intermittent pairing or audio issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.